So check this out. This is a Champ oil filter. It's actually a Champ XL PH2835XL. This came off of a 2021 Ford Explorer with a 2.3 EcoBoost. Probably right around 7,900 miles. The oil change indicator was registering 7% oil life left, and decided to change it early, and I'm glad that I did. There's a lot of soot, or what looks to be soot, on this filter, and there was in the pan. It's hard to see. It captured a little bit in the bottom of the can here, right in here. You know, just gives you that sooty feeling that most of our direct injection engines seem to be producing here. So overall, I'd say the filter seemed to be fairly well made. There was some excess glue here. Sorry, let me zoom in again. Down here on the end of the filter, as you can see, on the outside, pretty much the whole way around the bottom. The bottom of the filter itself is clean. The bottom of this lip here has a lot of excess glue. Fairly wide gap there, but nothing really crazy. If you turn it around here, seam is glued. And there's one interesting thing. I'm going to try to capture it here for you guys. There is a slight separation. I'm going to use this, point this out for you. There's a slight separation right here. As you can see, the zip tie fits right in there. Now, I don't know if it goes all the way through or what, but the zip tie itself is going between the glue and the filter media, as you can see there. So that's not supposed to be. Now, is it all the way through? Is it just starting to separate? I don't know, but if you just even turn it one pleat here, and you can see that there's no separations. Everything's pretty hard here. Yeah, there's a lot of glue, but it also just, you know, kind of makes a nice seal at the same time. So one last thing for you here, let me try to capture this, is I wasn't really impressed with the louvers. It's hard to pick up on the video with the oil stuck in some of those louvers, but you can see they're just barely open. These ones, flip the filter over, they're more open from this direction. Let me find it for you here. If you look right on this row here, there's some oil stuck there, but they are really not open all the way, especially this row down here towards the bottom. You can see they're kind of sealed up, but overall, I think the filter was pretty decent. Silicone anti-drain back valve, so that's in good condition. This particular filter is made in the US. So I think this filter cost me right around $3 from Rock Auto. This go round, I installed a Fram Ultra Guard. So stay tuned. Probably in another 7,000 miles or so, I'll be cutting this guy apart, see what we find in there, and see how that held up. So I guess that's it for now.